Okay, what's in your fridge? Down here, I have kiwi picked this morning, good for a couple months. Apples I picked that I grew. More apples I picked and I grew. I like the green apples, small on sugar. Cheese, different kinds. Tuna, having that for lunch, raw tuna. I might sear it, make it tataki. Some hazelnuts, some apple crisp, olives, kimchi, my own beets, my own fermented veggies, lard, and more nuts, and down here, different vegetables and stuff. But that's, some eggs, some butter. I'm gonna make my own butter today. So yeah, what's in your fridge?